Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine. And this is your moral science class, and we are going to do some revision. Okay? Because almost whole portion is completed, and we will do now revision. Here is answer in one word. One or few words you can write. Okay, and you have to give short answers. Like, who realized his mistakes? And in the place of who, what you will write? The unkind man. And if it is to write, answer these questions in complete sentence, then the unkind man, and after that you will add the question from here. Realize his mistakes. And if there is to answer in one or few words, you will only write unkind man. Now we will go to the next question. All of you are knowing the story of this, the unkind man and the forgiving master. Now this is which special feelings come from the heart, and which chapter it is related to, my dear? Love. The name of the chapter is also love, and the answer is also love, because which special? Love is a special feeling which comes from the heart. When we love someone, we accept them as they are. We care them and treat them with kindness and respect, isn't it? When we love anyone, we don't think of good and bad or whatever it is. We only take care of them. And it is a special feeling which comes from the heart. And this is from the story of Cat and the Mouse. Next question is, what made cat red? And in the place of what you will write? Fever. Fever made the cat red. Because whenever you are not feeling nice, feeling something wrong inside yourself, people can guess by your face. Okay? Because the color of the face changes, expression changes. When we are happy, cheerful, we are happy, smiling face, loving face, like this is smiling face. But when we are sad, our face is giving different expression. Like that only when we are healthy, we are energetic, cheerful. And when we are sick, then the expression of the face, color of the face changes. And here, fever made the cat red. Because cat was having high fever, running high fever. Why? Because he got wet in the rainfall. Now next is, who loves us and care for us? My dear, who loves us? Many people loves us, like our friends, our teachers, our parents, some of our relatives, neighbors, and all of, after all, God also, who loves all of us. But who cares for you? Definitely parents. Whole day they are caring for you. Do this, don't do that. Means whatever is the right thing, you are encouraged to do, and whatever is the wrong thing, you are told not to do. So, why? Because they love us, that's why they care for us, and whole day they take care of us by guiding us what we have to do and what we haven't to do. Now we will go to the next question. Let us see what is the next question. Who was poor? And this is from the story, the unkind man and the forgiving master, isn't it? And who was poor in that? The unkind man. He was always in need of fooding and clothing. Even when he was sick, he was not having medicine, not having the facility of doctor. So, unkind man was poor according to the story, the unkind man and the forgiving master. Next question is, who forgave the unkind man? And who forgave, my dear? Master. And master was forgiving also, no, because he was never behaved, the unkind man was never behaving properly with the master. But master was doing his work. He was always supporting him with food, clothes, medicine, and everything whatever he needed. Now we will go to the next question. What is the meaning of overlook? Overlook means to ignore, isn't it? Sometimes we overlook the mistakes of children. Sometimes we overlook the work which we have to do. So overlook means to ignore. Where did the unkind man live? And when you will read the chapter 3, the unkind man and the forgiving master, you will get the answer that unkind man lived in the city of Akka. First sentence is the unkind man lived in the, live will change into lived, L-I-V-E-D, past tense. Lived in the city of Akka. And there only master also lived, that's why they both were meeting each other. Now next, who was shivering with cold and fever? And in the place of who, what you will write? Cat. And if you have to write the whole answer in proper sentence, the cat was shivering with cold and fever. Now we will go to the next question. What was the mouse doing instead of feeling sad? And what was the mouse doing, my dear? The mouse was singing and dancing instead of feeling sad. Okay? What we will write? The mouse was singing and dancing instead of feeling sad. Why mouse was singing and dancing? Because the cat used to trouble the mouse every time. Used to eat up his food, used to chase him, and that's why cat was not satisfied, not happy with the mouse. And when the mouse fell sick, the cat was singing and dancing. Thank you, my dear, for watching this video. Thank you.